Hey guys, do you remember when I did that three-piece with the white three-piece? If not, I'm gonna post the video at the top. So I have been doing a lot of resewing of things that I've sewn before for the first time, and I'm coming back and sewing them again to see the difference in my sewing. And I can say I have improved a lot. As you see, I am stretching the fabric to see which side of the fabric is the best side or is the stretchy side. Last time I did it, I did not do that and ended up sewing it on the non-stretchy side, which made it to where the woman could not fit the outfit. So my sister wanted her robe to be short, sleeve and short. This is the robe she sent me, so I just copied the pattern from this robe. And another thing that I must say, this fabric is so messy. Once you cut it, it is everywhere. And I still haven't figured out the method of, fixing that to where you cut. There's a way to cut the fabric to where it doesn't make as much of a mess. I'm going to figure that out next, and when I do it the next time, it will be perfected. Now, if you want to see how exactly I am doing this project, I'm not really doing a tutorial on how to do it. I'm just showing you that I can redo it. I have redone it, and I did a better job at it this time. But if you want to see step by step of how I made this, check out the video, the first video, because my trial and error videos, my first time doing something videos, that's where you're going to get more of in-depth of what I did to make the item. Well, sometimes I'm just really focused on how am I doing this? Am I doing this right? Y'all, I finally have my name tag in some of the items that I made. I'm gonna get some more made because I didn't really care for those ones, but this is a starter and it's in the clothing that I made. One thing that I forgot to do to this robe is to put pockets on it. I forgot to put the pockets on them, but it still turned out really cute. see for the shirt, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So yeah, but here's what it looks like when you shake the item. It is very messy, y'all, like messy. But here's where I'm showing you where to sew the shirt. Thank you for watching, guys. I am super excited for the growth that I have, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.